Hello guys, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel.
In this video, I will unbox a watch which I have bought from Flipkart. So let's start. Here you can see the boxes of this watch, and the price of this watch is 209 rupees. And this is the box. The watch is inside this box, and this is the watch. And this is a warranty card, warranty certificate written. Not focusing. Yeah, certificate of warranty. Spibiza. Yeah, this is the warranty card. Step 1, step 2. How to rate? They written about the how to rate of on Flipkart about this product. So open this watch. This is beautiful, very beautiful. And this design is antique design. Yeah.
Now I will check how it look like on my sister hand. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope all of you enjoyed this video.